Alright, I am in the city of Lincoln Park, Michigan, and this is their historical museum. This seems pretty nice. It's got a bunch of different odds and ends. Very cool old radio equipment.
So the post office isn't delivering our mail, so I have to go because they can't get into the parking lot. Yeah, that's that. So I have to go over there. And when I did that today, there were a number of things. Only something for you, so put it up on your sheet over there. So, I don't know what it is, but it's got your name on it.
Check out those little coin banks. I have not been to this part of Detroit in a long time, many years. Excuse the noise, they got quite a bit of construction going on around here. Oh wow, check out these TVs. Check that thing out. Wow. Oh, I think that's like a magnifying glass in front of the TV. Wow, I've never seen one of those before. How interesting. This is a pretty cool little museum. All kinds of stuff kind of crammed in here. So Preston Tucker, the Tucker automobile inventor, he's from Lincoln Park, apparently. I knew he was from this area. Wow, check out this Motorola. Check out that snazzy, handy talkie. Wow. Oh, picture of Joe Biden. That aged poorly. Oh, that's interesting. Check out this oxygen breathing apparatus. I'm assuming this is like a fire department type thing. Interesting. So some stupid hippie stuff, old hi-fi stuff, air compressor cord. So the guy up front was saying that there's a band called the MC5, I guess, and I guess they're from here. I'm not familiar with them. They must not be very good. Beautiful building though. Really nice. I wonder if this was, yeah, this must have been a post office. Yeah, had to have been this. I'm getting very post office vibes going on here. Yeah. A dollhouse. Oh, that's a cool looking car. It's pretty sweet.
Oh, no, no, we're gonna give you envelopes. That's a temporary.
Okay, I was wondering if it.
Yeah.
Chicks, man. These are kind of interesting. I've seen these in like pharmacies. I don't understand what they are. Oh yeah, here it is. It says here, Show Globe's traditional associate with professional pharmacy.
Yeah, I'm thinking that's it.
Okay, so these used to contain certain chemicals. That's interesting. Yeah, I've seen these at old pharmacy exhibits, and I never really understood what they were all about.